Hey, what's up guys? This is Leo channel Levitate Style. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Roosevelt Field Mall. We're doing a really cool event with Express Men. What we're doing is a styling session, meet and greet. I'm actually wearing a full outfit, Express Men. These are the skinny ripped jeans that I really like. I'm also wearing this top from them. And yeah, so we're gonna have some fun, styling some people, and let's go. So right now we're just kind of preparing for the event, and we have these outfits pulled out already, just kind of for sample, for styling options for different people that are coming and just getting ready. Really from promo, if you try on a pair of jeans, you can get a spec up card. Sweet. And you might get something, so you can help yourself. Oh, beautiful. Enjoy something. Yeah, so this looks good. We've got a little logo tee here, fold up the sleeves, make it more casual. Fresh! Look at this guy.
The jeans fit really good.
Yeah. I like the glasses. You want to take a look in front of the mirror? That's some fun. See? Like, yeah, those look great. Dude, that's a good deal though. That's a great deal. That's a good deal. You gotta get one for that. I think these jeans look better on him. How do you look?
Looks great.
I'm down for one.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Even like just bring these things up real quick. Yeah. Whoa. Like this, you can even bring it in. Like, I mean, for me, my personal style, I like popping. Popping.
I see this is a very leadership thing.
So it's not all like stuff. Like rigid, right? So like this is lifted. And like I said, you can roll this up even more. If jeans are perfect.
Yeah, I'm seeing
they
the
look
jeans.
Perfect.
You never know what's around the next corner.
Both, not just one?
Yeah, you can do both.
I've never heard of anyone doing both.
Now you're adding even more depth to the look because you know it's like adding this darker color. There's two ways to fold this up.
Yeah.
Wow. So you got two ways to fold.
Yeah.
Now you made the dress shirt feel like a t-shirt. It's casual. You can wear it. It's fine.
This is your MO.
Yeah.
Wow, I like it.
I mean, but you can also wear this under a suit.
Yeah.
So that's a great part, right? Like you can still wear this with a tie.
Yeah.
This looks really good. Yeah, right? But honestly, you can wear like ripped jeans, any color really.
Hey.
So I had a lot of fun styling these guys in Express jeans. The best thing was probably the skinny jeans. I really love the fit. So those were the most popular item here. And we also have some great fall jackets for the styling options here. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. It's a regular video. Sean did good.